the so-called Big Five of criminal cartels does not exist, says Shadrack Sibiya, the suspended Deputy National Police Commissioner. Let us listen to this clip.
The Big Five that is being spoken about is not there. And if it is indeed true, it is there, it exists, why are they not being arrested? For drugs or for whatever reason it may be. But personally, I'm not involved in the Big Five. I don't know the Big Five. So I'm just saying, you ask a simple question, are there cartels or are there factionalism in the South African Police Service? I'm tempted to say yes, but I think it's better left to this committee to look at what is happening after our presentation and decide on that state.
Well,
okay. So the suspended and disgraced Deputy National Police Commissioner, General Shadrack Sibiya, who of course is linked to the criminal underworld. This is based on the evidence that has been provided in the Madlanga Commission and also the Parliamentary Ad Hoc Committee by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the police commissioner in KwaZulu-Natal. And that, of course, has been backed by the evidence that followed later in the Madlanga Commission that was provided by the crime intelligence head in the South African Police Service, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who of course has revealed the communication between General Sibiya, Brown Mokgotsi, and Cat Matlala. Okay? And of course, it is to be expected that someone is disgraced like General Sibiya. You know, General Sibiya is part of the, there are people who concoct lies. But the tragedy about them concocting the lies, it is that they also then begin to believe their own lies. You saw how the man was in Parliament the first day, in the Ad Hoc Committee, where he was trying to pitch together the lies, but there were so many loopholes in the lies. So of course it is to be expected that he will deny any existence of the Big Five of the drug cartels, which the two of them have already been revealed, Katie Molefe and Cat Matlala. Of course, he is their man within the SAPS. So it is his duty to protect and defend these people within the SAPS. So it is to be expected for him to deny the existence of such a cartel. Thank you guys for joining in. My name is Tebos Khosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you very much, guys.